Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company. This is having volt ampere rating of 900 volt amperes and active power rating of 756 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 3 lights, 3 fans and 1 TV. Okay, if you want to go with the more number of loads, you have to go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, this is best suitable for shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you have to go with that. Friends, you have to connect the load must be less than the active power rating of the inverter, friends. Because let us assume I have connected the load of 800 watts for this inverter. If the power cuts and if I switch on all the loads connected to this inverter, it is going to get overloaded, as connected load is more than the active power rating of the inverter. So it is going to blow out the fuse of the inverter. Then you have to replace it with the new fuse. Okay, here the problem is it is going to get overloaded every time. Okay, so make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter, friends. Okay, this is the sine wave inverter, friends. So you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noise. This is best suitable for cities, low voltage of areas and low time power cuts or low power cuts. Okay, if you want to know the reason, please go through the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter. That is differences between sine wave inverter and square wave inverter. Inverter guidelines. Friends, you can select the battery type also. If you have select the tubular battery, you have to select the type of the battery is tubular. If you have selected flat plate, you have to select flat plate. Based on the battery type you have selected, you have to select to the inverter. Friends, if you want to know the details of the other inverters, you can go through the links in the description or you can go through the playlist of unboxing. Okay, friends, please follow me on the Insta.
Here you can see the sinusoidal logo, sinusoidal waveform, EcoVolt Neo, model name. Here you can see the mains, charging, eco, UPS mode, low battery, overload, power on and power off button, and Luminous company. It will glow when you take the supply from the mains. It will glow when you are charging the battery. Eco mode, when you connect to the electrical appliances. That means whenever UPS is on, it is going to glow. UPS mode, whenever the system is on, UPS will be selected, mode will be glowed. Low battery, it will indicate for the low battery. Overload, whenever the overload is there, it is going to glow. Coming to the back side of the inverter, here you can see the positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal to the battery. 12 volts DC, that means only one battery is connected in this circuit. Here you can see the heat sink. Here you can see the battery type. You can select the battery type over here. And coming to this, you can see the model EcoVolt Neo 1050. Input rated voltage 230 volts AC. Rated current is of 5.6 amperes. Frequency is of 50 Hz and single phase. Output is rated voltage 220 volts AC and rated current is of 4.3 amperes. Frequency is of 50 Hz and plus or minus 0.5 Hz tolerance. Single phase. Capacity is of 900 volt amperes. I told you capacity will be on the back side of the inverter. Here is the capacity. Coming to the active power rating, 756 watts. Operating temperature is 45 degrees centigrade. DC bus voltage is of 12 volts and 62 amperes. This is the output of the inverter. This is fuse. Whenever overload takes place, it is going to blow out and you have to replace it with the new fuse. Here is the input, that is 230 volts and 50 Hz frequency.
Friends, if you want to know the details of the other inverters, you can go through the links in the description or you can go through the playlist of unboxing. After knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen, friends. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966 979707. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.